Hello friends, if you have any interesting queries about the words, their meaning, their synonyms, and how we can develop our vocabulary. Regarding these things, you can, if you have any doubt or the problem, please first raise your hand. The student who wanted to ask something will raise your hand and then I will take your question. At the time of answering, you will have to listen. All you people, you have to listen carefully. Please. And this session will finish. This doubt session will finish in 10 minutes. And then the next subject lecture will start. So, Soham, Suesh, Swayam, Tejas, Ved, Yash, Yuvraj, Siddharth, the study students, please, if you have any query, you can ask. So regarding the enhancement of vocabulary, the stages of vocabulary, the words with a similar meaning or the synonym. Please, friends. अच्छा हे एवढे होते तिथं कसं दिसतं अंश स्पीक अंश
Hello, sir. Sir, I'm Ansh. I want to ask something. You told the want to know.
Sorry, repeat your question.
Sir, I want to know the meaning of trifling.
Meaning of
Trifling.
Yes, trifling. Please spell the word. Spell the word.
Trifling.
Trifling. Trifling. Yes.
Trifling.
Trifling means lacking importance. Deciding what you want to do for a living is no trifling matter. Trifling means fiddling, foolish, frivolous, incidental, inconsequential, inconsiderable, insignificant, little. So these are the meanings. Unimportant, trifling means.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, welcome, Beta.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Is anyone? Is anyone? Or I will close this session.
Hello.
Yes, who is this? Raise your hand, please, first. On your application. Raise your hand on your application. You have service in that. Raising hand in the more option. Click on more and raise. On your application, if you have a query, please raise your hand, friends.
Hello, sir.
Just a moment. There are two students, Nishikesh and Ved. First, Nishikesh, please.
Sir, can I get that vocabulary PDF?
After session, you will get the vocabulary PDF. After this,
Okay, thank
our
you, sir.
sessions,
Thank you, sir.
sessions are completed, then we get there.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, madam. Now, where?
Sir, I had the same doubt about the vocabulary PDF. It is cleared now. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Welcome.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Aryan? Hello.
Sir,
Aryan?
I had the same.
Hello. Aryan?
Hello.
Aryan.
Sir, I need to know that beside that PDF, any book can we refer?
There are some study materials in the market, but I don't think that market is open. So this PDF is important, and when our lecture series will be over, these PDFs will be given to you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Who is speaking?
Suresh, sir.
Aditya. लोअर कर दे लोअर है ठीक है
Hello, sir.
Yes. Who is speaking? Name please.
Hello, sir. My name is Suresh.
Raise your hand first.
Hello, sir. My name is Suresh.
Shreyas.
Please send me this PDF file.
Shresh Pradeep Patil. Okay. Please.
Yes, sir.
Please
Send vocabulary PDF, sir.
I have told you, the administration has told me that these PDFs will be given to you when this complete lecture series is over. So you don't worry about it. You will get it.
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Welcome.
Sir.
Raise your hand. Who is speaking?
Sir, Akash. Sir, photo nahi hai.
Okay. Akash, come on.
Sir, which book we should prefer for studying these topics?
This is sufficient, my dear friend. But if you get some books on English, actually there are so many publications on this topic, and we have very little time in our hands.
Yes.
So whatever the study material we have about English, we are sending you. When this syllabus, when our lecture series is over, there are books on synonyms and antonyms separately. The hundreds of pages are there of those books, and we have less time. So within the less time, we have to study more. So for this lecture series, these things are okay, very good. You have to pay attention to this. And if you get along with these other books, then you can refer to us.
Okay, sir.
Because
Thank
of the
you.
time limitations, utmost preparations we are doing for your good result.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Session related doubts Siddharth.
Hello, Siddharth.
Hello, sir.
Siddharth.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Siddharth.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Come on.
Sir, I want to ask only in English, only antonyms and synonyms will be there, or something like passages or other can be there or not?
Yes. Dear friend, PDF.
Hello, sir.
Now, dear, please, just a moment. Screen gill is empty. Now, I have told you Part B कुठे? इकडे. कोणतं आलंय? नाही, याच्यावरच इंग्लिश. हा, yes. ते आपलं दुसरं page. हे घेतो. Don't write anything on the screen. Now look at friends. Synonyms, antonyms, spotting the error, correct uses, spotting the error, then correct uses, use of preposition, one word substitution, comprehension, rearrangement, and picture writing. These are very important topics will be taken. So you have to pay attention to the lectures or to the topics or to the chapters which are going on in the session. Yes, next.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, Siddharth.
Hello, sir.
Who is speaking, please?
Sir, Nachiket Rakhonde here.
हाँ नचिकेत.
Hello, sir.
Sir, the SPI exam is in MCQs type or sir, we have to give it written?
MPI, SPI examination.
But I will share you a PPT. I will share you PPT after overing all the sessions up to date. At in the last.
No, sir.
I will share you
I have to
a
just ask.
PPT for that.
हाँ, yes, please.
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, I want to just ask. It is of multiple questions types or we have to write it?
Multiple choice questions, MCQ.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Who's
Hello,
speaking?
sir.
One person speak at one time.
Sir, this is Abhijit here.
Abhijit.
Yes, sir. Abhijit.
Yes, Abhijit, please.
Yes, sir. I want to ask that this book is better for English vocabulary skills. It's English grammar and composition, written by James Thomas.
Yes, the book we are referring is better for our preparation because we have very